Hello, in front of me I've got CS2. In this video I'll show you how to play Premier mode. In the beginning, let's go to Play and select Matchmaking and Premier. In order to play Premier, firstly make sure you've got Prime enabled. To enable Prime you have to buy it from Steam store. It costs about $16. Also, to be able to start Premier match, your account has to be at least level 10. In order to level up quickly, go to matchmaking and play a lot of competitive or dev matches. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.